Okay. Right. And is that a function of their quality of optimizational content? Well, I mean, well, I share. Quick question here. I share the same address with about 60 other agents. Uh, could that be very well what it is, or is it something more? Mm-hmm. 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 Uh-huh. Can I have a? Can I ask you a quick question? Sorry to get clarification. Okay, so I had set up my own Google My Business account, right? And but beyond that, this this is curious. Like I'm trying to figure out why are the wires crossed where when you click on my name, it goes to someone else in my office that I know very well. Um, is it my fault or is it Google being mixed up or so the company that did this I actually recommended to him, and it's kind of funny. Hey Tim, come here. Come here real quick. Miko, I'm gonna throw you on the phone
Yeah.
because this concerns you. Hey Miko, this is Tim Dolan. Miko,
Hi, Tim.
Hi, Mika.
Miko.
Hi. Let's show you what's going on. This is interesting.
So yeah, she'll take you through it. So there,
Okay.
yeah, I'll let her
So,
take it.
when we're seeing what the listings are in regards to these 73 directories that I guess Chris kind of referred you to getting this done, what happens with this is that even though this information right here is going one route for one particular agent,
That's who she's searching
as
for.
you click into any of these directories, any of them, they now are routed over to you.
Impermanent spelled
Okay?
wrong, by the way.
And because there is a crossing in regards to this, you're not recommended in the directories that are going to refer business outside of you
To me,
and
yeah.
go into similar agents that have followed the proper steps. Whoever did this, they did not complete this the way it's supposed to be completed, when it's completed the right way, which is why it says contact similar agents, these directories want information about the business. They want the business hours, and that's why they're going to detour business away from you. When this information is set up right, it looks like this, where all the information has been completed, and that's when you'll be contacted directly through this. The hours are put in place, the business information outside of what you've got going on.
Are you talking to me or Chris?
It's
this is Tim's site. This is Tim.
Okay.
We originally was talking to Chris, but nothing is routing to Chris because it's all routing to Tim. And that's why there's flags coming in here. So whoever did yours, when they put it in the system, it's the wires are crossing somehow, some way. Don't ask me how, because this is not our doing. But when you're saying who's power synced as a credible real estate division, we clearly have Chris's name here. But as you click into any of these, it then routes to Tim. And I already sent this over to Chris. So, Tim, you could use this information and contact whoever set it up for you.
Yeah, it's definitely outbound, and just being able to call them on it, and or say, you guys didn't finish the setup.
I wonder if when you wrote that review, if somehow, I don't know. I mean, maybe something how it crossed or something, but that doesn't make sense.
It could be very much.
So just click on like a different one and show me what it says.
I did. We've clicked on a few of them. Here's I clicked on the super page. We could click on Merchant Circle. All of them. Every single one of them are routed.
And they still have, they were supposed to connect all that, correct anything. All right. Well, the only people I know that were in charge of that was Outbound Engine.
Yeah, and that's why I said to her already.
When do you notice this?
Literally yesterday.
I have no idea.
Right, because it's funny because over the weekend I dropped it down to a lower membership
package.
Yeah, and they were supposed to go to all of these sites and get my information correct.
Well, yeah, no, I don't think necessarily that had affected, because clearly they have something on their side where they've automated it. Because if you see the error, it's the same error throughout. The Premier team is the trick.
Well, they had that on my site, and I had them correct it, but apparently they didn't go and correct it
everywhere else.
It's the directories. So they may have done it on the website itself, but it hasn't been routed through the directories itself. And these are the directories. There's 73 of them right now, and all of them are like that. So just bring it to the attention, so that it is, linking properly to you all the way through. See, everything, no matter where I click, it says Tim.
That's right. See, I wrote him one thing we were looking at is I wrote Tim a review because he's actually a very professional agent. He's good. Anyway, so we were thinking that may have been a trigger. We don't really know. We don't speak tech like you all do, but it's interesting. So we'll get back to my side of things, but I just wanted to make sure you saw that. I was just having them do a consultation because I'm trying to set up my websites.
Right.
And wanted to get a clear plan of action together.
Okay.
So when that occurred, I just wanted to.
Yeah.
So I'll send this to you, and then that way you can follow up with them. Yes, sir.